Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to write JUnit test cases for REST controller methods by using Spring Boot Test Starter. In this video, we are developing JUnit test cases for count method, count handler method or REST controller method. In this video, technology is used Mockito for testing framework. Mockito is a testing framework. Data JPA to connect with database. To connect with database, we are using data JPA. We are using Oracle database. Spring Boot MVC. It is a Spring one of module in Spring and Spring Boot. We are using this Spring Boot MVC and it is a Spring Boot application. It is not a sketch video. It is continuation video. I will show this playlist, JUnit playlist. Go to my channel. After that, go to playlists. Here inside playlist, scroll down. One playlist called here JUnit. This is the playlist. Continuation video in this playlist. This playlist link I will provide in description. So let's develop the count controller method first. See here in student service. So count method is there. We are calling student repository dot count. We are getting count as long. After that, we are converted into integer. So after that, after converting count as integer, we are passing into find count method. This find count method will return count as a like word format. So that word format here we are returning, we are storing into string variable and we are returning. So now we will develop student count REST controller or handler method public response entity control space response entity. Here we need to pass type. It will return in the string method name student count. No parameters are there. Verify here. No parameters. So call the student service dot student count. It will return string response. After that, return new response entity. Here type is optional. Remove it. We are at method level. At method level, we are pasted right type. So return level, it is optional. This is a response entity constructor. Post parameter is to this response. We need to pass here. See what is expecting. Go to this constructor if you want to go to constructor. So extends HTTP entity. This class extends HTTP entity. See here, response entity constructor is calling another constructor. Is nothing but chaining constructor chaining. See a response entity. It is expecting T type. T means any type like string, student, anything. HTTP status code. So here body the entity body start the status code. So close this one. Go to here response comma HTTP status dot OK. So after that we are finding count, right? We are finding count. So I am using get mapping only. So slash count control s. So run this Spring Boot application. After that we can test through Postman. Right click, run as Spring Boot app. So now I am making one request. Here this is student app, right? So I am making one request. Add request. Mention name student count. So request like class level path is fixed student. Method level path is count. No parameters are not required. Method type is get. So Spring Boot application successfully started. Then send the request. See, it is giving 5. Let's verify in database. These really 5 records are there or not. SQL plus maximize username Scott password tiger set pages 10000 set lines 10000 select star from student semicolon 5 records 1 2 3 4 5 matched or not. We got the 5 records are there. So save the request data. So it is successfully saved. Right, close this one. Copy this curl, controls here, copy. Here copy option is there, copy segment, copy. After that, go to student calls txt file. This is the student count, right? Count Carl. So paste here, control S. Then go to test case, copy existing test case. It will save some time, some time. So test student count. Mention the student count. It is the student count. So it will not expecting any parameter. So remove this one and it will returning the integer. So like mentions about 2. Here it is expecting, it is go to student count. It is giving integer. Integer we are sending to find count. Find count will giving the word format, that count in word format. Here we got 5, right? Like that it will converting. So it is expecting string. So it is expecting string. Then give suppose 2. I am giving 2. Yeah, this is done. Setting expectations are shoving a mock method. This is done. Response chain of methods. So student. After that count. CYU and T. Count. Count. Here no parameters. These are not required. So remove this one. After that status is okay. We are expecting JSON path. This is string, right? So primitive type. So we need to mention like this. After that expecting to TW2 control as right click run as JUnit test. So wait some time for Spring Boot application will be started. After that, this test case will be executed. See here, now Spring Boot application started. Test case also executed. So test case successfully executed. So I will commit the changes now. In this video, we have successfully developed JUnit test case for student count. So in count method, we are converting integer count to word format by using one utility method. Git add dot git commit -m student count JUnit test case gate push. I will provide in description this Git repo URL and this JUnit playlist link. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.